Hi friends, this is a website for CV, resume and portfolio, and in this video we are going to change fonts of theme. Already embedded fonts are there in a theme, and this is Breezy CV WordPress theme. This is just a demo instance which I made for a request. The request person wanted to change the basic fonts of the theme already available in the theme. Fonts was not suitable for him, and he wished to change the original font of theme. And you might be knowing that every theme has its own typography settings, and similarly Alexa this is Breezy CV WordPress theme. Okay, so similarly Breezy CV is also having its own font, and you can see this font is very good and the person wanted to change. So anyone can change the basic fonts of available in the theme. In fact, so there are many fonts already available in themes nowadays, and you can change the typography of theme, but in certain cases you might be needing to change the additional font or wish to add the additional font to the default theme system. So this video is for that only. So in this video we are going to change the complete font of theme, complete typography of theme. So it is beyond, of course, the typography already available in the theme. So I'll take you to the backend of the theme. This is Breezy CV, and under appearance there is a setting called theme setting. So typography is already available, and there are many fonts available in this theme, and every theme has its own typography section, and theme developers offer very good fonts with the theme itself. But in certain cases, as I told, people wanted to change the fonts of available theme. So it is possible, and in this video we are going to show you how it can be possible. So adding a new font is always challenging if you are going to do this through the codec, and you are going to add the font in the theme configuration itself. It is very difficult task, and it needs certain programming skills, and multi-layer testing is also required. But I'm going to tell you a simple method through which you can actually change the font of theme very easily. So let us see how it happens. So let us take an example that I have to add Marianne font in the theme, and as I can see, the Marianne font is not available. I am an MNOP. So you can see Marianne is not available in the available font set, and even sometimes Google Fonts does not offer all the fonts as you wish for your website. So how you can add the additional font to your WordPress website, this is the core of this video. So we are going to use a plugin for this. This plugin is called Use Any Font. So let us go to the add new plugin section, and this is a demo website in fact, and it is hosted on a free hosting server, so it may walk slow a bit. So I'm going to use any font plugin, and I have already tested this. I have provided the solution. Use any font. Okay, so this is the plugin, and this is Use Any Font custom font uploader plugin, and it has been updated according to the latest version of WordPress. We can install it now. Activate it. Okay, so the theme has been active, plugin use any font has been activated, and I am just clicking on the tab. And first of all, we need to put API key for configuring the new font, and I have already found the Marianne font, downloadable Marianne font, and I am going to download the font, and you can upload your own font, it is not a problem. So I am downloading the Marianne font, and it has been downloaded. Let us go to the download section, and I'm extracting the download. I got this font, so this is Marianne font, and OTF is available here. So OTF is required for uploading the font, and for any font OTF works fine. So this is recommended that you should have OTF file of font which you actually want to upload at your WordPress website. Okay, good. So now we have downloaded, and now we can generate a free light API key, test key, and it is very simple. Just click on the open the use any font option, and it is from left navigation, and click on generate API key, and yes, it has been generated, and click to verify to complete. So the key has been generated, and you have to generate your own API key, so keep in mind, don't use this one, this is only for testing purpose. Click to verify complete. Okay, click verify to complete, sorry, verify. So it is now active, and now font is active, I mean API key is active, and now next stage is to upload font. And so this is already font, I am deleting it, I'm going to show you from the press. So this is the upload font screen, and we can upload the font from upload font option, and you can see TTF, OTF and WOFF is the format which is allowed, and we can use any of these format for uploading the font. And I'm choosing the file now. This is Marianne. So OTF is available, Marianne regular OTF. So I'm uploading the Marianne regular and upload, and we can keep a name of this font. So I am putting the same name and clicking on upload. So font conversion complete and finalizing, and this font has been uploaded. So currently this theme is looking like this, and it has font like this, and it is good. But just in case if you want to change the font, I am going to show you how it can be done. It is very simple, and it is, I am telling you again, it is beyond the theme setting, I mean it is beyond the typography option already available in the theme, because the typography option was not offering the required and desired font. This is why we are doing this activity. So now at theme setting is not required in fact, and we can, typography is already here, but we are not going to use this section because we have put an additional plugin for this, and use any font is already here, and font has been uploaded. This is Marianne, we just uploaded it, and now it is time to assign the font to the areas of the page. Okay, so it is very important, and click on assign font option. Now this assign font option will show you all the areas which you are having on your website. This is very important part, that you have to select all the areas where you want to show that particular font. And I must tell you that through this free API key you can use only one font, and if you need to upload multiple font, you need to take a premium API key in that case. But if you want to change only one font on a particular area of theme like headlines, site title, so wherever you may wish to have, I'm selecting all so that it may impact the complete website. Just in case if you want to change the font of complete website, you can select all, and here you need to select the font which we have uploaded. And custom elements you can use, so one CSS element you can put in each line, and in just in case if you want to put these fonts like wrapper and such things, so you can use the custom elements. However, it will work from here only. So assign font should be clicked, and now the font has been assigned to the all selected area. It is showing applied to all h1, h2 and body, category and intertitle and rest of the places. Next is setting. So again use alternate server. So it is no, when you are unable to upload the font using both JS and PHP uploader or verify API key. So in that case you need to select yes if you are unable to upload the font. Use PHP uploader, it should be no, but if only if default JavaScript uploader does not work, need PHP CURL. Okay, so if you are having CURL active on your hosting server, you can use this option if you are unable to upload the font. Use absolute path, no. Select no if you want to use relative font path. Disable font list in WordPress editor, so it should be no when you have conflict with WordPress editor. So this is very important setting. If you are having any conflict with the WordPress editor, so you can choose no and yes as required. So enable multi-language support, it is up to you. Font display property, it is auto. So there are some instructions as well, so you can read these instructions for using the use any font plugin. And now we have already assigned the Marianne font to the WordPress website, and now we can refresh the page to view what impact it has brought on the website. So this is the default font, that this is Poppins, already configured with this theme, and I have already applied the Marianne font to the complete website. So the font should be changed to the Marianne. Let us refresh this, and yes, the font has been changed. However, it is not readable, but it is just a demo. So if the Marianne font is working fine, the display will be very good, and it is depending on your uploaded font. But yes, you can see the areas wherever the bold titles has been used, Marianne font is looking suitable. But it depends on the selection of your font, and you can always control the areas from assign font page, and you have to decide where you want to actually put the new font. But yes, you can see the font has been changed to the complete website, just in case, and it is very simple and it is effective. So we have completed the changing the font of default WordPress theme. I mean the font which was already available, we have already changed it, and in this manner you can change the font of WordPress theme, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you, just in case if you want to add additional font on your WordPress website. So let us move towards next video, and I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel, so wait for the next video. I am coming with WordPress themes, utilities and plugins for you. Thanks for watching.